Documents, click on your lunch number folder, find the Microsoft Excel icon with your Goldfish Graph project. When you open it, this is what it should look like. You should already have a chart or graph on your page. Just in case you don't, here's how you do it. Click and drag over the numbers and color words. Do not click extra cells that are empty. No, 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 no. No, no. Just the numbers and color words. Come up to Insert, come over to the Charts group of tools, and choose a column or a bar. I'm going to choose bar. Please pick a graph that shows your data. Do not choose a 100% stacked because the bars don't show the different numbers. I'm going to pick this one. To move your chart, put your mouse on the edge of the chart area. Click and drag. Next, I'm going to double click the chart area background. Click, click. This opens my Format Chart Area tools. I'm going to start with a border. Click to open the border tools. You have a choice of a solid line or gradient line. Don't forget to change the width. 0.75 is very tiny. If I take it up to 6.75 or 7, there's my border. The color can be changed with the paint can fill color. Now that I have my border for my chart, I'm going to close that tool. I'm going to click the Fill tools open. You have a choice of filling in your chart with a solid color of your choice, such as this. You may choose a gradient fill, and you may pick the colors for each of these gradient stops. So if I click here, I can choose a green. I can make this gradient stop a purple. You can add gradient stops by clicking. See, it just appeared. You can mix and match any colors you'd like. I'm going to change this into a darker blue. You can move the colors by dragging the sliders. That's a gradient fill. You may click on the next choice to fill with a picture or texture. This is a texture. Come down to the texture, choose the menu, and you can change it to something else. You can also fill with a picture. To do that, come down to Insert Picture From and choose Online. Now this was a project about fish, goldfish crackers. So I'm going to look for an ocean picture. Wow, lots of choices. I'm going to choose this one and insert it. You see that picture is now my background. You may also choose a pattern, and you get to pick the two colors that are combined to make the pattern background and the pattern design. I'm going to go back to my picture because I liked it, and I'm going to come to my bars. I'm going to click once and you'll see that all of them will change at the same time. I can do a solid, a gradient, a picture or texture, a pattern fill. Let me show you. If I wanted to click just the purple one, I clicked again, and now only the purple bar is selected. I'm going to picture, and I'm going to look for something purple. Here's a purple spot. If I insert it, it stretches it out. If I click this button right here for stack and scale, it makes a pictograph. It puts one purple dot for each purple cracker number. Click the next bar, choose Picture Online. Notice it popped my purple one in there, but now I'm going to choose a yellow spot. Let's see here. Maybe I'll just, ooh, I like that sunshine. Let's give that a try. It stretched the one, so we click Stack and Scale, and I'll get one for each. If I click Green Picture Online, I could even search for a green fish. Watch this. Oh, I want this one with the big eyes. Of course, I have to click Stack and Scale to get one fish for each cracker I ate. So you're going to have fun. What is that last one? Orange. You do not have to do picture graphs. It's an option if you would like to use that. They're awfully fun. Don't forget to click Stack and Scale. So you're going to change the border, the background, the lines of your graph. When I click the lines, I get my line tools. A solid line, your color choice, and a thicker line will make your graph easier to read. Now, the last thing you'll have to do is work with your text. I can't really see my number label or my word labels down here, so I select that text box and I'm going to go home and choose a different fill. I think I'm going to fill those numbers with white and I'm going to make them orange. Please change the font of your text away from Calibri. Pick something else and you can use our size to make it bigger. Change the font size and color of your numbers and your color words. See my recent choice appeared there. And your chart title. Please do not leave chart title as the name of your graph. Give it a good name like Goldfish Graph. Whoops, graph. Once you have done your graph, your job is to click away from it and repeat the whole process with the other graph. So you will have one column and one bar graph. And you will have both of them customized as you have on the top. They don't have to match, but enjoy the tools I've taught you and make both graphs awesome. When you have done this, make sure you save your work before you exit. Have fun. I can't wait to see your